Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Subaru Legacy air filter. This is a simple maintenance task that you can easily do yourself in about 10 to 15 minutes, saving you time and money. You will only need a few basic tools, typically a Phillips head screwdriver or an 8mm socket, and of course, your new air filter. Let's get started and improve your engine's performance and fuel efficiency right away. First, locate the air filter box in your Subaru Legacy's engine bay. It's typically a large, rectangular plastic housing situated on the passenger side, connected to the engine's intake. You'll notice several metal clips, usually 4 to 6, or perhaps 2 to 3 screws, securing the lid. Unclip these, or use your Phillips head screwdriver or 8mm socket to remove the screws. Once unsecured, gently lift the top half of the airbox to reveal the old air filter. Now, with the airbox open, carefully lift the old air filter straight out. Take a moment to observe its condition. You'll likely see it's quite dirty, possibly filled with leaves, insects, or excessive dust. This visual inspection helps confirm it was time for a change. Also, look inside the air filter housing itself. If there's any accumulated debris, like small leaves or dirt, gently wipe it clean to ensure a pristine environment for your new filter. Finally, take your new, clean air filter and carefully place it into the housing. Make sure it sits snugly and that the rubber gasket around its edges forms a proper seal. This ensures no unfiltered air bypasses the filter. Gently lower the top half of the airbox back into its original position, aligning it correctly. Re-engage all the clips or tighten the screws firmly. You've successfully changed your Subaru Legacy's air filter, improving its breathing and overall performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.